Michael Jackson's family is caught up in a complicated legal battle, with different members taking opposing sides. Michael Jackson's son, Blanket, whose real name is Bigi Jackson, is trying to stop his grandmother, Katherine, from using estate money for her ongoing legal battles. Bigi filed documents this week. In these documents, he's asking the court not to let Katherine use Michael's money to pay for her appeal of an earlier decision. Let me break it down in simpler terms, but with a bit more detail. Bigi and his grandma were recently collaborating to put a stop to a significant business transaction involving the people managing Jackson's estate. They were both firmly against this deal and took action together to stop it from happening. The documents don't give a clear picture of what the transaction was about. It's been a bit of a mystery throughout this whole story. However, from what we've heard in the news lately, it seems like it could be linked to the agreement the estate made with Sony to sell roughly half of Michael's music collection for $600 million. Bigi clarified that he and his grandmother presented their arguments against the deal, but unfortunately, the court didn't rule in their favor. It seemed like the end of the legal matter. However, Katherine has chosen to challenge the ruling by filing an appeal, a decision that Bigi wants no involvement in. He doesn't want his father's estate paying for her legal bills. As you know, he's an heir to the estate, so that cash is pretty important to him. According to Bigi's explanation in the documents, he believes that the appeal doesn't have much chance of succeeding. Moreover, he doesn't see how it would really help the beneficiaries of the trust to keep fighting. Therefore, he opposes the estate covering the costs of the appeal, which is what Katherine wants. Bigi has also requested that the court carefully consider granting Katherine reasonable attorney's fees for the legal battle leading up to the appeal. He acknowledges that she deserves some compensation for her legal expenses, but he believes it should be reasonable and fair. It's not shocking that Bigi filed against Katherine. Just yesterday, executors of Michael's estate reportedly claimed that she receives a seven-figure allowance for the year. Blanket probably thinks she should use that money for the appeal instead of dipping into the estate's funds. Looks like the family isn't entirely in agreement on this matter. We're still waiting for the judge to make a decision. What's your thoughts, guys? Let me know in a comment.